let's apply our knowledge of financial functions to the following problem. You're borrowing money for a house, and you may borrow money with a 5-year loan, a 10-year loan, a 15-year loan, a 20-year loan, 25-year loan, a 30-year loan, and the annual rate might be 6% through 12% in 0.5% increments. The question would be, what fraction of your face value of your mortgage do you pay each year to the bank? Okay, well, let's think about this. What you need to know for every combination, for example, 5 years, 7% annual rate, would be the PMT function would tell you what you pay. If it was 5 years at 7%, you'd be making 60 payments. The annual rate would be 7% divided by 12. And then you'd multiply that monthly payment by 12 to get the annual payment, and then divide by the face. Let's assume you're borrowing $100. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's see if we can make this work probably in a minute or two. Okay, so we would say PMT, we're going to take 12 times the monthly payment to see what we pay in a year. Okay, so we take the rate. Now we need to dollar sign our friend the 6. We divide that by 12. The number of periods would be the years in the loan. We need to dollar sign our friend the C. And we need to multiply that by 12 to get the number of months, which is the number of periods. We're assuming we borrow $100, and then there's no ending payment, and it's end of the month payments. We'll say end of the month payments. Okay, and then we would divide that by 100. Now I think that's going to give a minus sign, but that's okay. We just put a minus sign in front of that. Okay, so that would say, for instance, we'd have to pay 23.2% of the face value of the loan if we borrow for 5 years at 6%. Now I can copy this, Control C, and actually you can hit the Enter key once you selected the region. We've been doing Control V, but the Enter key is okay. And now I should format this as percentage. Control 1%, it's an easy way to do that. And what you'll see is as the length of the loan goes up, the fraction of the face value paid each year goes down. And as the annual rate goes up, the fraction of the face value you pay goes up.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytic Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.